we have an analytics team, a buzzword a lot of people are using now.
Hello and welcome back to Klik TV. On Klik TV, we explain how businesses in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia area leverage today's technology by sharing knowledge from our experts in a variety of industries. My name is Paulina, and my guest today is Bill Pritchard. He works for Klik Solutions, and he is the Director of Analytics. Hello, Bill. How are you?
Hello, Paulina. How are you doing?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for coming in today.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
First of all, tell us a little bit about yourself, your hobbies, and your role at Klik Solutions.
Well, let me start with the last questions. I'm the Director of Analytics here at Klik Solutions. Originally was the Director of Customer Success, which morphed into Director of Analytics. We'll talk a little more about that. I have 4 children and 9 grandchildren.
Wow, that's really impressive.
Yeah, a lot of fun. And we have a sailboat here at Klik, and we love to go out in the summertime.
Looking forward to going with you one day.
Absolutely.
Hope to get your invite. Could you please tell our viewers what data analytics is in a nutshell and how it shapes the customer experience?
Well, data analytics is a buzzword a lot of people are using now. But in essence, what it means is you have particular points, say a ticket that came in that goes through certain processes. And the analytics allow you to identify where these points are so you can see whether or not you're performing at a level that your customers are expecting or exceeding. So the analytics is used to basically collect the data to point you into areas that you may want to look at or areas that you can celebrate.
Beautiful. Now I have a better understanding about the analytics. Could you please tell us what CSATs are and how they factor into our customer experience?
Well, CSAT is customer satisfaction. So when a ticket is closed, they're sent a survey.
Right.
And then in that survey, then they'll answer how they felt about their experience. So the CSAT is very important to get a good health measurement of how happy our customers are. Or conversely, if there's something that went wrong, it gives us an opportunity to immediately jump right into it.
Now I have a better understanding about our internal processes. How do you envision the future of customer service in IT and technology?
Well, in general, it should be good because there's a lot of companies. When was the last time you were on hold for 35, 40 minutes? Right?
Not long ago.
In some cases, you're stuck with them because they're big players.
Yes.
But if you're a small or medium-sized business, you don't have the luxury of having bad customer service. So the ones that have the good customer service, the exceptional customer service, all things being equal, are always going to thrive.
That sounds like a very promising future.
Absolutely, for those who do it right.
What sets Klik Solutions apart when it comes to all of the other available MSPs out there?
One of the items that set us apart is your first question on analytics. We have an analytics team at Klik, and we're pulling data that I'm very confident a lot of other MSPs, if any. I was working with a vendor recently nationwide that sells a software product, and she was telling me she's never seen the analytics that we have in any other MSP. So that's really the key. And the analytics also is basically used to be the customer advocate. That sets us apart. So we have an entire team outside of the service that brings this data in on a daily meeting to allow and to identify any trends that may be not so good. The trend is not in a good direction for our customer, so we can address it right away. So those two things alone, and also the personal communication.
That really makes Kliks very special.
I think so, absolutely.
Through all the analyzing of data you do for us here to support our systems, big or small, where is it that you believe we consistently leverage technology the most at Klik Solutions?
Well, of course, I'm Director of Analytics, so I have to say analytics. But we also have a lot of other tools that monitor security and monitor the patching and the antivirus and the health of the systems. So there's a tremendous amount of technology that drives the entire operation. You couldn't possibly keep track of thousands of machines without automation. And then the analytics is just on top of all that, just to give you some paths and some focus in certain areas.
That's a very valuable information you're sharing with us. Bill, thank you so much for coming in today to share this valuable information with our viewers.
Well, thank you for having me. Have a great weekend.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel below for more useful content on leveraging technology in today's world. Is your business looking for IT solutions with someone fantastic like Bill to analyze your data? You are in luck. Klik Solutions is here to come up with a personalized and comprehensive plan to address all of your technical needs. Click the link below for more information. Thank you for watching Klik TV. Till next time!